In this video, I'll show you how to unenroll from a Udemy course. Unenrolling from a Udemy course is useful when you no longer want the course in your learning list, enrolled by mistake, or want to keep your Udemy account more organized. First, open Udemy in your browser and sign in to your account. Make sure you are using the same account where the course is enrolled. Next, go to My Learning. This is where Udemy shows the courses connected to your account. Find the course you want to unenroll from. Open the course or look for the Course Options menu. Depending on the Udemy layout, this may appear as three dots, a settings icon, or a menu near the course card. Click the menu and look for an option such as Archive, Remove from My Learning, or Unenroll. Udemy's wording may vary depending on the course type, account, and device you are using. If you see Archive, this is usually the best option for cleaning up your learning page. Archiving hides the course from your main My Learning list, but it does not fully delete your purchase or enrollment. If you are trying to remove a course because you bought it by mistake, check whether you are still eligible for a refund. Open your purchase history or help section, then review the refund option for that course. If you are using Udemy Business, your ability to unenroll may depend on your company's settings. Some assigned courses or learning paths may be managed by your organization, so you may need to contact your manager or training administrator. After removing or archiving the course, return to My Learning and refresh the page. The course should no longer appear in your main active course list. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.